Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check a capacitor. Well, the first thing you're going to need is a meter. It doesn't matter what type of meter you have. In this case, I have a field piece meter here. But the only thing you're looking for on the meter is this MFD switch right here. So you set your meter to MFD, just like that. I'm just going to put it out of view a little bit so you can still read the screen, but so it's not in our way. It'll be on that setting the whole time. What you're going to need, of course, is a capacitor. Here's your capacitor, just a typical capacitor. On the capacitor, it'll say what it should read. In this case, it says 10 UF. It stands for 10 microfarads. So you put that down, and you just grab your leads. And it doesn't matter which way you do this. You do it like this, you do it like this. It doesn't matter. You get the same reading every time. And all you're going to do is touch these two together. And of course, my hand's in the way. And eventually it should get up to 10, like that, or 10.1, and that's close enough. This capacitor is good. Now, there's many other different types of capacitors out there. In this case, I have a Mars capacitor. Here it is. It says right on it 189 to 227 UF. Okay, and the way to check that's the range it should be when you check it, 189 to 222. That's what the top looks like. Some of them have a little blue or brown resistor right between the two little leads here, but this is just the one that I have laying around. Alright, so let's take a look at it. This one's going to take a while for it to charge up, so because it's got to go so far up. But again, look at it, 189 to 227 would mean that it's good. Well, you guys get the picture. I'm sure if I waited here long enough, it would be 189. Okay, and finally we have our last, or at least the last one that I have laying around here. It's a dual capacitor. Now there's two numbers on it, you'll see. It says 35 and 35.5 right there. In this case, it actually is two capacitors into one. This one is actually for a heat pump or air conditioner.